Good morning, students. Last week we learnt outbreak of First World War and Russian Revolution. Today we are going to learn about the League of Nations. League of Nations, an international organization founded on January 10th, 1920, as a result of Paris Peace Conference that ended the First World War. It was the first international organization whose principal mission was to maintain world peace. Its primary goals, as to stated in its covenant, included preventing wars through collective security and disarmament and settling international disputes through negotiation and arbitration. The founder of the League of Nations were desperate to avoid the repetitions of the horrors of the Great War. The main aim of the organization included disarmament, preventing war through collective security, settling disputes between the countries through negotiation and diplomacy, and improving global welfare. The League consists of 5 bodies: the Assembly, the Council, the Secretariat, the Permanent Court of Justice, and International Labour Organization. Again, I say first one is Assembly, second one is Council, third one is Secretariat, and fourth one is Permanent Court of Justice and the International Labour Organization. Each member country was represented in the Assembly. It discussed general policy, and any decision taken in the Assembly had to be unanimous. The Council was the executive of the League. Britain, France, Italy, Japan, and United States were originally declared permanent member of the Council. What are the countries? Britain, France, Italy, Japan, and United States. Each member had to one vote, and since all decisions had to be unanimous, even small nations possessed right to veto. The Secretariat of League of Nations was located at Geneva. Its first Secretary General was Sir Eric Derman from Britain. The staff of the Secretariat was appointed by the Secretary General in consultation with the Council. The International Court of Justice was set up in The Hague. The court was made of 15 judges. Next one is objectives of the League. The twofold objective of the League of Nations was to avoid war and maintain peace in the world, and to promote international cooperation in economic and social affairs. The League intended to act as a conciliator and arbitrator, and thereby resolve dispute in its early stage. If war should break out, despite arbitration, the members should apply sanctions to the aggressor, first economic and then military. This one is achievements of League of Nations. The League of Nations succeeded in solving various problems during its existence for about 20 years, which deserve appreciation. First one is it settled a problem between Finland and Sweden regarding the ownership of Åland Island in Baltic. Second one is it solved boundary dispute in Silesia and prevented a war between Poland and Germany. Third one is it settled dispute between Greece and Italy over the island of Corfu. Fourth one is it avoided a war between Greece and Bulgaria over the border disputes. Next one is it solved border issue between Peru and Colombia. Sixth one is through its other organs, the League prevented the spread of many diseases. One is causes for the failure of League of Nations. The USA was not a member of League of Nations. Second one is the League of Nations did not have a permanent force or army of its own implement its policies. Next one is whenever the member nation were not happy with the attitude of the league, they were permitted to go out. Next one is in 1931, Japan captured Manchuria and renamed it Manchukuo and made it a puppet state. When the league protested against this, Japan resigned from the league. It weakened the league. The statesmen who dominated the league lacked practical wisdom. Their approach remained somewhat utopian and began to be called some Geneva Conference as fools. The rise of dictatorship in Italy, Japan, and Germany weakened the chances of the success of the league. Thank you, students.